Testing? May mic ba? Testing, testing.
Testing? May mic ba?
I can't hear guys kung may mic ako. Please let me know in the comments if meron. Test, test, test.
Please let me know in the comments.
Yeah. I'll see. Tingnan natin to. New setup. Wait lang natin manood yung iba. Yan. Let's share this lang.
Test it.
Copy link. Please let me know guys kung may volume ako. I have no idea if I have volume. So, pa-comment na lang so I'll read it kung naririnig nyo ako. I cannot hear myself. So, pero nag-testing ako, may bago tayong mic para at least maganda yung audio quality natin. Paramihin lang natin yung mga nanonood. Please. Yan, share natin. So, kita ba? New setup tayo ngayon. Dito tayo sa room. Kaya gusto ko sa namin testing itong mic. So, I figured mas naririnig din instead of big speaker. Yan. Please let me know guys kung naririnig nyo yung live or something.
Yan, share natin. So I figured mas naririnig din instead of big speaker.
Ayun. Boss Paparamski. Clear. O ayos. So tumatalabis setup natin. So yan. I'll move to the side or move natin tong TV.
Please let me know guys kung naririnig nyo yung live or something.
Galing. So naka-wireless mic tayo ngayon. Yung setup natin. Paramihin lang natin ang konti nanonood. So,
Instead of big speaker. Ayun. Boss Paparamski. Clear. Ayos. So tumatalabis setup natin. So yan. I'll move to the side or move natin tong TV. Please let me know, guys, kung naririnig niyo yung live or something.
Yun. Ayan. Okay, start na tayo. Paramin, 12 listeners pa lang. Paabutin naman natin ng mga 20. Yan, para mas maliwanag. Yan. So, mag-Kuya Kim din tayo, mag-weather report tayo. Yan. So, I'm gonna turn off yung mic natin na isa. So, if you have comments, nababasa ko right now yon yung mga comments nyo. So, just type in your questions, whatever. So, we'll do a short Q&A right after this viewing. So, we hoping you're liking the new setup. We're testing this kasi the usual natin, di ba? I go to a place, tapos naka-live stream lang. Minsan mahina yung audio, hindi nila naririnig. So, ngayon, we have this mic. So, hopefully, mas marami makarinig. Hurricane tracker news hourly, daily. Shout out. Oh, may pa shout out na tayo. Shout out Boss Dewitt Wall Manera. Kita mo na. Pag dito tayo, yung ganito setup natin. So, para mas maliwanag, di ba? Para lang ang newscaster. Yan, tingnan natin. Yan. Pag naka 20 viewers na tayo, let's proceed na. Boss Andy, may pasok po pa bukas, so mas maaga tayo mag-a-announce. meron. So far, tuloy ang race natin. Yeah. So let me know kung ano. 12 pa lang tayo, 12 viewers. So paramihin natin ng konti para sulit. Miss Leanne Lumawig, ready na me. Okay, ready na you? Sige, we're ready na rin. Yeah, konti pa, 14. 17. Yeah. Dewitt Wall Manera, sana maging good ang weather bukas. Yeah, sana. We're hoping as well na the streak continues, but we'll take it whatever it comes. Ito na yata sige pinakamatindi namin. Pero hindi. We remember last sa Nuvali pa kami before. Talagang ano yun, super typhoon. And then, yun talaga super typhoon. As it flooded everywhere. Yung naalala ko pa nun, wala pa yun sa Nuvali. Everything was flooded, yung mga side street na. Kung nasa yung stage namin, maputik mismo, hindi namin nagamit. Those are the times na feeling namin medyo nakakalusot May bagyo naman nun. Pero for some reason, 5 a.m. medyo may drizzle. 6, we were able to race. Hanggang 9 kasi short lang yung race. And then by 10 a.m., ayun na, bumuhos na. Yeah. Papa Ramsky, shout out sa grupo Vermosa Street Photographers. The best. VSP, what's up guys? So let's plan yung mga next races natin, how to get you guys in Vermosa, yung mga all races natin sa Vermosa. Hopefully nando kayo. For some reason, 5 a.m. drizzle, 6 we were able to race hanggang 9 kasi short na yung race. And then by 10 a.m. Si Brother Cheeky, ito, the voice of. Yan, so sasali rin si Brother Cheeky bukas. So present yan si Andy, my co-host. Matagal na tayo wala episode pare ng Nameless Podcast. I think it's time to do another one. Yun, na-figure out ko na yung live stream Okay, start na tayo. 25 na pala. Ayan, so game. Okay. Oh, naririnig ko sarili ko, sorry. Yan. Okay, so I'll go blind. Wala na akong monitoring. If you have comments as we go along, just post here. Medyo okay to setup natin na to. Nagugustuhan ko. So, ang nahirap kasi dati naka-mic lang ako. Okay naman siya. Pero pag nandun ka. Pero if you're streaming, ang dami din nakakapanood. So, hoping ito mas malinis sa lahat. So, we invested in equipment, in a mic. So, dito tayo sa controlled environment kasi malakas yung ulan. And then, plano sana namin dun sa kung saan nagre-race kit claiming, dun yung race briefing. And medyo nagkakaproblema kami dun sa projector. So, ito, hybrid setup. This was the plan B, which turned out to be better. So, okay, start na tayo. But before we begin, syempre, simulan muna natin ang magic shades natin. Yan! So, ito na. A bit of trivia. Every time kasi napansin namin, hindi, magre-race briefing kami. So far, pag nagre-race briefing kami na naka-shades, nakakalusot, hindi umuulan. So we're hoping if the streak continues, marami na tayong nagawang race briefing, nakakalusot tayo lagi. So ito why not? Di ba? Libre naman isuot yung shades. Hindi sponsored to baka naman. Oakley, di ba? Dahil ako lang. So, yun lang. Start na tayo, guys. Final shoutout. Sige, type lang kayo dyan. Para ako news reporter nito. So, okay. Please bear with me as I do this. Ako lang mag-isa dito sa kwarto. Wala akong operator. Yung iba, may mga... Yan. So, shoutout, Brother Lloydie. Shoutout naman, Sir Avid. Fan nyo ako dito sa Iligan City. Umaabot pala kami Iligan. So, boss yon. Hello, hello. Ayan. So, start na tayo. Antay ko lang lumabas yung Duaman screen dun sa para I can monitor it. Pero okay to setup na to. Diba? At least malakas yung audio, clear for everyone. If ever we replay, okay siya. Ayan. So, solo setup to. Please bear with me. Start na tayo. Okay. If for some reason the audio gets cut, just leave a comment and then we'll do our best na para ma-fix yan. Okay guys, so welcome everybody to the race briefing of the Duaman Duathlon 2025. This is the second leg of the SBR Tri-Series of the Go for Gold SBR Tri-Series 2025 presented by Vitargo. So we'd like to thank Go for Gold syempre and then Vitargo for sponsoring our races and for making all of this possible. Kasi if you all know, hindi naman tayo, we still think of ourselves as a community race, but syempre, we try to grow din, we try to step up, we try to keep up with the other races, pero at our core, we still want to be that community race na open yung lahat. The barrier of entry is so low, not only on the Reg Fees, if you napansin nyo, mababa din, kami yung pinakamababa sa lahat, and then, yun sa bikes din, we make it a point always since 2013 na pwede yung lahat. Almost all types of bike as long as sinabi nga namin, as long as with working front and rear brakes, diba? So, it's really an inclusive race na we want to do and we want to keep on doing. So, thank you very much to Go for Gold and Vitargo for making that happen. So, start na tayo. Bakit kumunat yung ahod? Sige, mamaya ako nang gagawin ito. We'll try to muna. Ang kukulit na mga comments. Sige, kulitan tayo. Walang problema. So, Reggie Paul, shout out Choi Salazar. Bakit kumunat yung ahon ng light? Para naman may excitement ng konti. Alright, so, welcome again to the race briefing, online race briefing. Live streaming tayo ngayon sa SBR social media pages. We're on SBR Facebook page and then naka-stream din tayo sa Duaman Facebook page. Nandun yung link. So, quick weather update. Before we proceed siguro, no? Ano muna tayo? Hindi ako si Kuya Kim, ha? So, weather update natin ngayon. We're just using AccuWeather. July 19, September... ba't ganun? So, sorry. Daily. Yan. So Saturday, it's saying here 99% chance of rain, which is, if you'll guess it, yan, umuulan talaga. So tama siya. Tomorrow, the weather we will have 86% chance of rain. So medyo malakas-lakas itong lalampasan natin. But we'll see. We'll see. So the prediction is overcast, couple of thunderstorms in the morning, and then occasional rain in the afternoon. If we go by the daily, hourly, yeah. So let's see tomorrow. Yeah. So here's the weather prediction for tomorrow. By 3 a.m., the time everything gets set up to 4, we actually have pretty clear skies. Kung totoo to, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. So I'll move ahead. 6 a.m., we only have, which is our start time, we only have 25% chance of rain. So baka makalusot, may tumalab yung rain dance natin, di ba? Sun dance pala. Tapos yung itlog, baka tumalab, dagdagan nyo na lang kasi kulang na yung itlog na nabili ko. So 7 a.m., there's actually a sun mark here. Ayan. So mukhang araw, but by 8 a.m., uulan na. Then that continues up to 9. And then 10, it will clear. So by our estimate, again, I am not a weather forecaster, makakapag-start tayo ng tama, and then after, habang nandun na kayo sa kalsada, habang ginagawa nyo, siguro, nasa bike leg na lahat, the rain will start. So we highly advise everyone to just be careful. At the end of the day, hindi naman tayo competitive na race. Of course, competitive sa mga age groupers, but a lot of those joining us are first timers, right? So let's just have fun tomorrow, and if we are blessed with perfect racing conditions, let's take it. Let's thank God for it. And then, but if it rains while we're racing, di ba? I don't think there's anything better kung dahan-dahan lang naman. Huwag nyo na lang hatawin. Just be very careful. And then, yung route naman natin ngayon, if you notice, it's, I'll discuss the route. It's one loop lang lahat. So, ayan. So, start na tayo. Ang dami kong ano eh. Ayan. Okay, so if you don't have this yet, please download the Athlete Guide. It's available on our website. So just visit our website, click the Duoman Duathlon 2025 link there. The scroll up, and then you will see the Athlete Guide. Okay? So start na tayo. That's me. So just a short message. This is the second leg. Yeah, this is the official second leg of the SBR Tri-Series, to Go for Gold SBR Tri-Series 2025 presented by Vitargo. We'd like to thank our sponsors, syempre. Yeah, si RL Lapid, si Clark, of course, maraming salamat for hosting us. Full support sila for this race ever since 2013. So we're very, very thankful for that. Thank you for Glory Hotel for hosting us. Andito tayo. Ito yung isa sa mga kwarto nila. And to the rest of our sponsors. So maraming salamat. I will not go to read all of these, but so complete the series. If you haven't yet, we have one more race happening next month. That is the Triman Triathlon 2025 happening on August 4 at Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub. So if you want to complete the series, you may sign up for that. But kung nakadalawa ka na by this time and hindi ka nag-trifecta, you can upgrade your registration. So just email us at bikeroundph@gmail.com, and we will send you the prorated na rate. Ayan. So finisher shirt, ito yung trifecta shirt. So if you finish all 3 races, you will get this. So hindi siya for sale. Only the trifecta finishers will get that. So these are the 3 kits ng race natin. So Go for Gold, maraming salamat for being our title sponsor. And syempre, Vitargo for stepping up and being our presenter for this year. So race kit claiming, we are here now. So this is the schedule, Saturday. By the way, we made an announcement na tomorrow we will have another race kit claiming. So that's gonna be from 3:30 up to 5. That is to accommodate everyone na nabaha. And we're getting some messages kasi na hindi sila makaalis talaga. So, but may napansin kayo, di ba? We posted something about this na aalisin na namin all small races kasi talaga. The bane of the race organizers is yung race kit claiming on race day kasi that holds everything up. And minsan talaga, like the aquathlon was good. That was okay lang because it's literally just the race bib and the shoe. But for this, mag-set up pa kayo ng bike and everything. All the other international races, hindi na sila talaga nagpapa-race kit claiming. And we're gonna try to do that. We tried to do that. May service fee pa kaming in-announce, di ba? So, what we did, we canceled everything na everything will be refunded na in everyone. So, para fair lang. But for Triman, we will start implementing it na we want to slowly move away from race day, race kit claiming. But on that note, we will give you all the options available for Saturday. So, baka may career option tayo or whatever. Maybe we can have a Friday and Saturday. But definitely, this is going on naman for all or for all race organizers. We will remove that. We're trying to remove it. So, for race day, we can just focus on the race. Focus on launching you off properly na hindi na kayo natataranta. And mahirap din naman if you're lalo na if you're a beginner. It's all fun and games, yeah. Pero if you'll notice, medyo stress yan kasi you'll park pa, gising ka maaga instead of mas relax na lang. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll announce all of it after Duaman Duathlon. But for tomorrow, just go to the transition area and you may claim your race kit there if you're unable to claim it today. Okay? So, ayan. Andito na tayo ngayon. Should I go through this pa lang? So, tomorrow, transition opens at 3:30 a.m. So, pwede na kayo mag-check-in ng bike. And then, 5:30, close na yan yung transition area. So, you need to be inside the transition area by 5:30 a.m. Otherwise, isasara na yan. You will not be able to race anymore. So, gun start, full distance will go first at 6 a.m. Followed by light at 6:10. So, mass start yan. We have 700 participants and then 400 plus yata yung nasa full distance. Tapos, awarding natin will be at 9:30. Please don't leave if you feel na you won. Diba? Kasi ang daming umaalis, kala nila, di naman kami panalo. Tapos yung pala, nanalo sila. Tapos, 12 p.m., end of race. So, TYL, if you're noticing ano yung TYL na yan, that's thank you Lord. So, nakatapos tayo. Ayan. So, what's in your race kit? Ayan. So, if you claim your race kit na, your race kit will have the following. Race bib number. It has the number. This is it. I-zoom natin. Nasa-zoom ba to? Yan. Uy, ganda na to ah. Yan. So, what's in your race kit? You will have this. This is the race bib. And then the wristband, which you will need to put either here or here, depending on you. But you have to wear it for the entire race. This is the helmet sticker, which you should stick in front of your helmet. And then the bike sticker. So the bike sticker, you'll put it on the seat post. So seat post clamp, you stick it like that. Okay, so ayun. Make sure it's not baligtad or something. And next, yung race bib, you have to wear it in front of you while you're running. And then if you have the race belt, that's why we sell the race belt also. You'll just simply slide it sa back. Okay? Tapos, The race kit will also have 4 safety pins if you don't have a race belt. But kumuha na kayo ng race belt kasi ipipin nyo yan. And then mamaya sa bike, mahirapan kayo, matusok pa lalo na kung ganyan. So we highly suggest it. Timing chip must be worn on the left ankle, chip facing outward. So sa left ankle, if you're looking down, this is the left ankle facing outward. And then please return it to the organizers if you're gonna DNS. DNS meaning did not start or DNF did not finish. Okay? So, because there will be a charge. Machi-charge kayo pag hindi nyo nasali yan. Ayan. Save time on transition and save your suit from pinholes. Ayan. So, this is the SBR race belt. We have it available at the expo. Yeah, so just visit there. Tapos, quick reminders, the race is draft legal. Meaning, you can pace yourself if you know how to ride in a pack. So, pag makita ka dyan, just draft. It's all legal. But, we always advise na if you're a beginner, pakawalan mo na yung mga packs, especially if their pace is too fast for you. It might be dangerous. Tapos, no helmet, no race. Absolutely no helmet, no race. There's no exceptions on this. The marshal and the transition will not allow you to head out for the bike if you do not have a helmet. Okay, so that's non-negotiable. Avoid littering. If you have gels sa bike, dun lang naman nangyari dyan. And sa run, yung mga gels nyo, just stash it either sa pocket. If you don't have a pocket, ginagawa namin sa ilalim ng tri-shorts, we slide it in. Okay? So, always stay on the right when not overtaking. The race will not be, we will not have a totally closed race na tayo lang exclusive lang sa ating road. As with any races here in Clark, road sharing lahat. Okay, so just stay on the right. Tapos count your own laps. Don't rely solely on the marshals. Dito medyo madali to kasi except for the full distance, everyone will do one lap for everything. Yung full, I will explain. Finisher shirt, medal freebies after the race will be near the SBR booth at the expo sa yung transition area. Okay, if you notice, we don't hang na yung mga medals sa finish line kasi nagbabunch up yung mga tao dun. Yan, so that's one of the adjustments that we made. Stay for the awards. You won't be eligible for the raffle if you're not there, diba? So sayang naman yun. And of course, sayang yung photo mo pag nanalo ka pala tapos, diba? There'll be plenty of parking available around Clark Parade Grounds. Arrive early to get the best spot. And so, Julius, can we buy the race belt tomorrow? Yeah, meron available sa expo. Just visit the SBR booth. Fastest bike and run split. Maiba naman tayo. Lagi tayong chicharon. This time, our Lapids will be introducing the R Lapid special sour sauce. Yun. So, if you're the fastest bike and run split, male and female, yeah, mananalo ka na ng sour sauce nila. And then, Majin. So, si Majin is stepping up. They call this one the Majin Pedal Champs. So, they will award the fastest male and female bike split. This is just for the full distance. I will confirm for the full and light, but definitely for the full. So, let's see kung may light bukas. I cannot remember now. So, yeah, so they will be giving away a Majin C606 Smart GPS bike computer. So, thank you, Majin. Ganda, oh. Di ba? Hindi natin ma-zoom. Yan. Alright, so good luck. Next, raffle. Ito, please stay for this because sayang naman kung aalis kayo. Vittoria, hindi na namin pinrise to sa mga fastest bike and run split. We're giving it away to everyone. They will be giving away 10 Vittoria Corsa tires. Di ba? Kita mo naman yan. Ayan. Oop. Ayan. So, thank you, Vittoria. Ira-raffle na lang natin yan after the race, ha? So, sa awarding, please stay for that. Baka manalo kayo ng Vittoria. And ano yan, ha? May kasunod pa yan. Event raffle, we will also be giving away Bolt Riot Road TR Plus shoes. Kita nyo naman. So, Bolt is one of the best right now when it comes to triathlon shoes. So they'll be giving away this one to one male and female. So that's why it's two. Hindi ko lang na-indicate yan. Kasi ako rin yung gumagawa ng graphic. So, two Bont Riot TR, one for male, one for female. They will be giving that away sa pagtaas ng race. Yan, so during the before the awarding. So please stay tuned for that and do not leave kasi sayang naman yan, okay? So thank you Bont and thank you Multisport Corner for sponsoring. So types of bikes allowed. Yan, yung mga post lang namin. We just go through it. Yan. If you notice, we allow all types of bikes, almost all, because we really want we really want this to be the most inclusive race. 'Di ba na yung barrier of entry kasi iba ang dami siya, kailangan ko ba ng pinakamahal na bike? No. We believe na, sabi nga namin dito, pamana na bike ni Papa, pwede na yan. We just want you to start and then at least yun ang pinaka-importante and then as you go along, that's when you upgrade. Yan, so may mga introduce na tayong mga bike shop partners natin. Yan. Let's go. Let's proceed. Eto na. So, this is the most important one. The map for the full distance. Let's start with the run first. So, ito yung map. I will... Yan. Yan. So, just message me guys kung sabayan nyo na lang. Naka-download din naman to. So, we will all start here. Mass start yan. Full will go first and then the light. At exactly 6 a.m. So, the difference lang with this, everything, lahat, one loop lang. So, para wala nang maligaw, gusto namin one loop lang lahat. And para madali rin sa utak. So, except for the run number 1, wherein each loop is 3. So, if you're doing the full distance, you're doing 6 kilometers, you'll do 2 loops. But light, everything is one loop. Run 1, bike, and then run 2. Sa full distance, it's 2 loops for run 1, bike 1 loop, instead of 2 before, diba? Last 2 years. And then, sa run number 2, 1 loop only. So, the loop is pretty simple. It's the same as the past 2 years. We will all start here. The route is clockwise. So, pagka ma-start natin, boom. Start ka dito, turn right again. Also, if hindi nyo napanood yung, we sampled this also sa YouTube. So, we're doing everything we can para to help all our first-timers. We have 85% na beginners. Okay? So, yan. Pasok ka dito. U-turn. And then, turn left again. Depending if you're doing the full or light distance, head on to the transition area. But if you're doing the full, U-turn ka ulit and do one more loop. Okay? So, color coordinated din yung bibs natin. The full is yellow, light is blue. Okay? So, tingnan nyo na lang. Quick comment check. Are phones allowed during the race? Phones, what will you do? Tatawag ka ba? If you're just gonna listen to music, yung mga bone conductors, that's good. We allow naman, we're pretty much open to it, but syempre, delikado rin yan. So, please use it carefully na rin. As much as we want you to make content, we want everyone to have a safe race and for you to make content safely. Yeah. Will there be portalets tomorrow? Even better, there will be toilets tomorrow. So, around the area, may toilets doon sa Clark Parade Grounds. Where po ang race kit claiming tomorrow? That's sa Expo. So, Expo kung saan yung transition area. So, anyway, review ko lang saan na tayo napupunta. Mass start, full first, do this, do the loop, then one more, if you're doing the full, one more, and then left, and then pasok na dito. That's the race course. Andito rin yung mga aid stations natin. If you're doing the light, it's just one loop. So, start, and then that's it. Pasok na sa transition area. Okay? So, yeah. As always, please note that while the courses will be marked, it is the athlete's responsibility to know the race course. So, yan. So, we know naman na marami tayong beginners here, but as you go along, we can train you here. You can make mistakes, but ultimately, knowing the course is actually, truthfully, the responsibility of the athlete. So, that's it. Kasi we've had times before na, actually multiple times, naligaw dahil the marshal said, one more loop. And to be honest, the marshal doesn't know who you are. Diba? So, hindi naman nila alam kung ano na yung loop na nagawa mo. So, while they are there to keep you safe and to guide you, they're not there to count your loops. Okay, so, start. Unahin natin. So, tapos na tayo sa run. Let's go to the transition area. Ayan. So, ito yung transition area. Dito kayo galing, run out, di ba? Tumakbo tayo doon. Pagkabalik nyo dito, you will turn left, and then you will see two entrances here. One to transition and one to finish. If you just finish your first run, do not go to finish kasi di ka na makakabalik dyan. Tapos na yung race mo. So, madi-DNF ka. Actually, DQ. So, after turning left, after your run 1, turn left, turn right to transition area. Transition area is only one way. There's only one entry and exit. So, dito siya. And then, find your spot on the bike. So, ito na. Ito na yung may mga tips tayo dyan. Sa transition area, may numbers yan where you will rack your bike. But, syempre, since we have 700, there will be 700 bikes. So, if this is your first time, medyo daunting, di ba? So, may mga entrances naman yan. So, just remember kung saan ka para hindi ka pa ikot-ikot dyan. Di ba? Yan. So, maraming tricks. Yung iba nagsabit ng balloons and everything. Ayan. So, after getting your bike here, so, pro tip, I'm not a pro, but I've done plenty of races. Yung helmet nyo, depending kasi kung mabilis ka or whatever, if you're wearing cleats, if you're wearing cycling shoes. So, let's say you're a beginner and you're all just wearing running shoes and then cycling shoes. So, ang pinaka-best strategy dito, umupo ka na lang, don't do yung mga nakatayo. If this is your first time naman, upo ka, tapos wear your socks, and then hubarin mo yung running shoes mo. Pero ginagawa namin kami, after namin mag-run, naka-cap, di ba? Ako, personally, I sit down, take off my cap, and then, hubad na sapatos, I wear the cycling shoes with my socks. I wear socks kasi. And then, wear gloves if you're wearing gloves. And then, suot ng ng helmet. You wear your helmet. Tapos, tayo ka na. Get your bike. And then, off you go. Okay, so, biking is not allowed in the transition area. So, you have to walk all the way outside here, up to here on the bike mount. Okay? So, yung mga expert, yung iba dyan, mga ibang pro tip, nakasabit na yung helmet sa handlebar. Diba nakasabit yung bike mo? Nandun na yung helmet sa handlebar mismo. So, hindi na sila tatayo. They'll remove their running shoes, throw it sa basket, and then simply just put the helmet on, and then off they go. Okay? So, relay tent will be positioned here. So, if you're doing the relay, regardless if you're a 2-man or a 3-man relay, tent will be positioned here. Okay, so this is where you will wait if you're part of the relay team. Okay, so yung runner mo, pasok dyan, yun, okay? Kasi, explain ko. Yung runner mo, papasok, bibigay sa yung timing chip. So here's how it will happen. So tapos ka na ng run, and then your biker is waiting, di ba? So pagdating mo dito, palit na kayo ng timing chip, and then the cyclist, now wearing the timing chip, will go here, get the bike, and then head out. Okay? So pagbalik ng cyclist, kung 3-man relay ka, pasok ulit, rack the bike, and then palit do sa runner 2 or runner 3 nyo, and then head out. Okay, so that's the relay. No riding of bikes. Ano pa ba? Ito, nasabi ko na. So yun lang. If you have questions about transition area, just feel free to drop a comment. So, yan. Know the race course. Ayan. If you haven't yet, that's me. As of one day ago lang, may 405 na nanonood. So, if you want to familiarize yourself, you can actually do an ocular now, or you can simply just watch the video. It's a tradition that we've done since 2023. And I think nakakatulong naman siya. Minsan pare-para sa sinasabi namin. But this time kasi iba yung course. So meron na tayo ng The Wall. Diba? So please watch it. Please watch the race course preview on our YouTube channel. Also, please like and subscribe. Ayan. So these are the markings. So meron naman markings yan for full and light. Ito yung markings yan. So, we're just posting this kasi we just want to say that the course will be marked. Okay? So, yeah. Nothing to say here, actually. Rules and regulations. I will not go through all of this na. But, it's available on our website, Event Rules and Regulations. So, Swim by Crown PH, Event Rules and Regulations. So, if you want to go through it, please read it. Ayan. It's pretty basic naman. Next. Duoman Pro Tips from Coach DG. Hindi ko alam kung sino to. Pero parang familiar yung itsura niya. Sino kaya yan? No? Hindi. So, ito. Few tips lang. Number 1, pacing matters. Don't blow up early. Sabi ni Coach DG. The swim. Pang Aquaman pala to. So, ignore that. Mali, kakat and paste na nga lang, hindi pa na-edit. So anyway, it's the same kasi. Pacing matters, don't blow up early. So ignore the swim, wala naman swim dito. Don't blow up on the first run. Don't go all out kasi the race is long. Mamaya run pa lang, manggigil ka na agad. Diba? So, start at the back for first timers. So if this is your first time kasi mass start yan, let the faster ones, yung mga podium aspirants, go ahead. Doon ka na lang sa likod. So this is the same actually for Aquaman or Duoman. That's why hindi ko na na-edit for some reason. Sorry about that. So sabi ko nito, unless you're gunning for a podium, let the faster athletes go ahead. Starting behinds give you clear space, di ba? Makaka-pace ka ng sarili mo, less pressure, and a chance to find your rhythm. So dire-diretso ka lang. So yung takbo mo, di ba? Instead of sa run, yung umpisa, tapos mapapasabay ka, and then you'll end up bonking, and then, yun. Transition like a ninja. Have a plan. Lay out your gear completely. No fumbling, no guessing. Every second counts. Know if you're going socks first or shade second. Yun nga. Susuot mo ba yung socks mo or shades muna? I-mental rehearse mo na. Galing kang run, di ba? So, pagpasok mo na transition, ito na yung bike mo, andun yung gamit mo sa bike. May nagtanong, will you provide baskets here? There will be baskets in the transition area with your number. So, isipin mo na pagdating mo ng bike doon, paano ba gagawin mo? Magbabike ka ba muna? Ay, magsa-socks ka ba? Magsa-shades ka? So, envision mo na yung cycling gear mo. Okay? So, remember your rack spot. Visualize mo na kung saan ka. Remember it. Kasi very costly pag naligaw ka dyan. And syempre, matataranta ka na. And that will easily cost you additional 5 minutes. And then, run smart, then run hard. So, run smart at the first run. Easy lang. Pace yourself. And then, on the final run 2, sa 3-kilometer na run, you can either go fast sa final 1.5K pagdating mo turnaround, or just, if you're feeling strong, just go all out sa run number 2. Zip up and show up. Looks matter. If there's a camera nearby, suit your suit. Yan, itaas mo na. Lift that chest. Nakagano ka na. And own that frame, di ba? You train for this, now look the part. Yan. So stay cool, be cool. Ang dami natin aid stations dyan. And if umuulan, mas magiging malamig lalo. So, stay cool lang. And then, pinaka-important, share the energy. High-five a kid. Thank a marshal, cheer for your fellow athlete. Good vibes multiply and they'll carry you to the finish. So, like what we always say, since this is a really a community race where a lot of beginners actually do their first race. Pag may nakita kang nag-i-struggle dyan, a little tap or a little go bro, go sis, will go a long way, di ba? So, if you're not competing naman and nakakasalita ka, relax lang. Just cheer for other participants na nakita mong nag-i-struggle, so makatapos din sila. Ayan. Ayan. So, marami pang tips dito. This one naman from my co-host sa Still Nameless Podcast. This is Coach Andy. So, pace conservatively, yun ang sabi niya. So, that's pretty self-explanatory. Ang tagal na itong pro tip na to pero ginagamit namin kasi perfect siya. So, douse your head liberally, effing hot. Practice your transition, yun yung sinabi niya, di ba? Tapos, we'll leave it to you na lang. Download the athlete guide. Andito lahat yan. Mga sinabi ni Brother Andy. Tapos, frequently asked questions. Can I rest if I get tired? Yes. We actually recommend resting because wala naman tayong cut-off time. So, if you're cramping, just take your time. Pamasahe ka, whatever. And then, can I bring my own hydration? Yes, you can actually do that. Although meron tayong aid stations on the run, we do not have aid stations on the bike, by the way. And then, you may bring your bottle, fuel belt, whatever. It's up to you. Yeah. What if I miss a wave? If you miss a wave, mag-start na yan. Kuwari, full distance ka and then nakasabay ka sa light, mababawas lang yun. What will disqualify you is you light ka, nag-start ka sa full. Okay? Can I change categories on race day? Nope. Final na yan. Will there be medical assistance? Yes, we have medical assistance. There will be lifeguards tuloy. Halatang cut and paste. So, there will be no lifeguards. Wala naman swim dito. But there will be medics on standby for the entire event. But, ano to? Naulit? Ayan. So, ito na. We skip the bike course pala. So, the bike course is the most fun part of the Duoman Duathlon. We intentionally did this para naman maiba, but to really, actually, to spice things up. Diba? So, andito yung transition natin. Sorry, hindi ko alam ba't nilampasan ko to. So, the transition here, isa pa. Go up here, turn left, dito yung bike mount, di ba? Bike mount means this is where you'll start riding your bike. So, start ka na dito, and then off you go. Okay? So, no biking in the transition area. You will only start your bike here, the bike mount section. Okay? So, yan. Once you start, you will be here na. So, discuss na natin. Ito yung bike course. It's actually one loop lang. Mahirap ba siya? Relatively, since malamig naman bukas, kaya-kaya. Kaya-kaya niya yan, Duamans, di ba? We're not called Duamans for nothing. So, this is here. This is the transition area. So, it's one loop for all. This will make it very simple and easier to manage. So, this is flat up to here. So, diretso ka lang, turn left, and then turn right, and then turn right again. This is the, pag nandito pa kayo sa part na to, don't bother na going all out because marami dyan, baka madisgrasya lang kayo. So, turn left and then right, and this is the part where the fun begins. So, rolling terrain yan up to this part. Okay? Sa previous editions, 2023 and then 2024, we turned right here. Downhill na yan, di ba? Tapos nag-U-turn tayo. But since yung light distance natin, in-increase na natin yung distance from 10 to 15 kasi marami nga nabibitin. So, inahinabaran natin. So, dito yan. Course terrain. Dito, downhill yan. And then, may slight uphill all the way sa hotel yan. I forgot. Hindi ko maalala yung hotel now. But this is rolling all the way. But we highly suggest don't push it. Okay? So, dire-diretso lang. You will turn right here, going to Fontana. If you're familiar with Triman, this is the entrance sa transition coming from the bike. So, makikita mo yung Fontana, turn left, turn right, and eto na yung the wall, the famous wall of Clark. So, Once you get to this part, it's called the wall because literally there's a wall here. Okay, so once you get to this part, it's gonna be downhill. So pahinga na yan. Use that part to recover. Get your bearings, get your breathing right, your pacing and everything. So long, 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 very long downhill. It's actually there's no ano yan, pag ganun. It's just downhill, flat, downhill again, flat, downhill again. Up to this part, the rotonda. So once you get here, turn right, and then yung light distance, mag-U-turn na kayo here. Okay? Tapos balik na. Yung full, ignore this, you will U-turn here at the second. Dire-diretso pa kayo, turn right again at Creekside Road. This is where you will U-turn. Yung U-turn dito, slow down lang when you get here because it's kasya naman yung kotse. Hindi naman siya sharp kasi likuan siya talaga ng kotse. U-turn lang siya. So, it's gonna be big spot din. So, caution lang when you get here. Slow down and then make your U-turn all the way back. So, why sinabi namin medyo challenging to? Kasi naalala niyo sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Long, 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 downhill, downhill, downhill. Super long. Ano mangyayari once you get back? Di ba? Turn right, turn left, left, and it's gonna be yung long, 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 downhill nyo magiging long, 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 uphill. So, prepare for this part of the race. This is where the spice begins, di ba? So, para lang medyo may punch yung memorable yung first race nyo. So, this is gonna be, actually, yung elevation niya, it's not that steep until you get to this part right here. So, ito yung final na stretch ni wall. Okay, so, my tip, once you're here, wag naman kayo mag super small ring and then big cog. Just spin para hindi maubos yung cog nyo. Reserve your last biggest cog pagdating nyo dito. Okay? So, dire-diretso lang yan. Again, the bike is one loop. The light will U-turn here. The full will U-turn on the second one. It's one loop for all. Okay, so once you get to this part, turn left. Tapos na yan. Going to Fontana. Turn right. Turn left again. And then ito na yung pinanik nyo yung rolling terrain. So once you get to this area, it's actually very easy na. The roads are wide as well. Okay, so yun lang. Wala tayong aid stations on the bike because for smaller distances, below 40k, it's actually more dangerous to have an aid station on the bike. But kasya na yan if you're just doing 20-kilometer bike, kasya na yan, isang bote or dalawa. Hindi na yun na mauubos yan. Okay, so that's it. Actually na lang pa sa... Okay. Tapos na tayo. So, final reminders on race day. Know the course. Check your U-turn spots and loops. Don't just follow the person in front of you. Kasi parang, kung susundan mo siya, what if naliligaw din siya, di ba? Parang yung bumper sticker, don't follow me, I'm lost too. Yeah. So, arrive early. Give yourself time to set up, stretch, hydrate, locate the nearest bathroom. So, that's why sana we wanted to remove race day kit claiming but we had to do it again. Pero sa Tryman, we will remove it na totally. Para lahat ng participants, when you get to the race, relax na lang. Diba? Kung may body marking pa, body mark na lang kayo and that's it. Race bib check, timing chip on your left ankle, check. Confidence, optional, but syempre, we believe in you. Yeah. First timers, don't worry. The marshals will cheer you on. Everyone will cheer you on. Parents, if you have minors joining, relax. Your kids will be fine. Dua parents, di ba? If you notice, walang duathlon kids. So, hopefully next year we can bring that back. But may kids naman tayo for Aquaman and then Tryman. But for Dua, no. Kasi parang konti lang din and for that much kid, mahuhold yung race by up to 1 hour. Yeah, so parang hindi siya feasible. Eventually, hopefully, magkaduwa kids tayo, but it'll happen on a Saturday. Relay teams, make sure your teammate knows who you are and what leg they're doing. So, alamin nyo na kung sino yung bike run. Okay? No littering, please keep Clark Freeport zone safe and race ready for the next wave. Smile when you finish. That photo's going to be on Facebook, whether you like it or not. So we will post it there. Assuming hindi tayo ma-block, may story yung sa Aquaman, di ba? Sobrang late, nagpo-post pa rin kami kasi na-block kami. Actually, yung messenger ko na nakakuha ko lang access a week ago. Ayan. So, we're having trouble posting it talaga sa Facebook. For some reason, ayaw nila nagpa-post doon. And if we have thousands of pictures, we can only post 250 per album. And that's how many albums, diba? But we'll try to keep on doing it. If not naman, the pictures will be available at Geo Snapshot. So, most important of all, enjoy the moment. You trained for this, Duamans. I know, we trained for this. Dahil nakikita naman namin yung mga training videos nyo. And what's important is you showed up. That's already a win, di ba? Let's race hard, race safe, and race happy. Yan. So spectators, I will not go here na, but please do not impede the participants. Do not block them. You may take videos and everything, but syempre, priority natin dito are the participants. So if you have questions about the event, just email us at events@swimbikeround.ph. Tag us if you're posting photos. Ngayon, yung mga race kit nyo, nakuha nyo na. And yung mga reels, gumagawa kayo nyan. Please tag us at swimbikeround.ph and Duaman Duathlon. So, by tradition, we repost every single video na nagtatag sa amin. You can also, if you're using Instagram, you can tag us as collaborators and we will accept it para mas marami makakita ng videos nyo. And then our official hashtags will be Duaman Duathlon 2025 and then SBR Tri-Series, SBR PH Tri-Series 2025. That's it. So, tag us and collaborate. Good luck. See you at the race. So, that's it. So, we'll just go through a couple of announcements and kung may questions kayo, just type it. Kung maabutan pa natin ng live, we'll go through it. We'll read it. So, Instagram, we posted the announcement na so far so good. The race will still happen tomorrow. So, see you guys. So far, so good. Weather forecast, wala pa namang advisory from the LGU and everything. The race is on and will proceed tomorrow. So, we'll see you guys. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy to. And we get another lucky streak. Diba? So, to accommodate those affected by the weather, race kit claiming is extended Sunday morning, 3:30 to 5 a.m. So, marami kasi nabaha and everyone. So, we acknowledge that while we want to remove it entirely, hindi naman kami ganun kasama, di ba? And we know that the announcement might have been a little too late. So, for Triman, we're gonna change that. So, inopen na rin natin. Yung special service fee, ang goal kasi namin, if you want to get it on race day, kasi we'll assign a staff for you, but syempre, there's a charge for that na lang. Everyone who paid will get refunded. So, yeah. You should have gotten an email, by the way. So, if you haven't gotten it, just email us at swimbikeroundph@gmail.com. So, we'll go through the other posts. Glory Hotel. Ayan. So, ito, ano ba to? Kung nanonood kay Tour de France, ito yung helmet ni Vingegaard, but wala. So, magtatanong, maka-cancel ba tayo tomorrow? Kasi ang lakas ng bagyo. So, we always go by this requirement. With the saying, in a triathlon such as this, kuwari ito yung weather sa triathlon, the race will happen tomorrow. If this is the weather tomorrow on race day, the race is a go. Okay? And then what can happen lang is in a triathlon, the swim can be removed and then the backup plan always is to turn it into a duathlon. But sabi ko nga, we're already a duathlon. So, yun tayo na yung backup plan. So, all systems go tayo tomorrow as of now. So, that's it. And then, hindi ko na go through yan. Hindi ko alam kung I'm just doing it kasi baka may mga kinakabahan dyan. So, just doing everything I can para mapasaya lahat, mapagaang yung loob nyo. And then, parang rain dance, sun dance ba yan? Napanood ko lang. Yung may mga nakakanood dyan. I don't know, yung mga millennials, makaka-relate ba kayo dito? Kila John Lloyd sa Rayron. Hindi na yata. But either way, those are just for fun lang. Although, sabi nga namin, we try to keep it fun and everything. At the end of the day, athlete safety will always be our top priority. So, even if there's a 1% risk, it's a risk too big. So, lastly, to promote, thank you for everyone who purchased this. Ang dami pa nagme-message. I think sold out na tayo ng mga sizes. So, we'll just reproduce. Ang dami pa nag-message. Pero dito pala sa race, inubos na nila. And that's it. Guys, so may question pa kayo? If you have questions, is there a rule? Is there a rule that you can't touch your bike unless you wear your helmet first? After the bike, you need... Actually, no. If you want, si Reggie Paul, if you want, pagtapos mo ng run, pagdating mo sa transition area mo, hawakan mo agad yung bike mo. So, it's really up to you. There's no such rule. And I don't think there's any rule even in a triathlon, both local and international. There's no such rule. So, you're pretty much on your own when you enter the transition area. You can do whatever you want. Saan pwede yung mag-run? What parts sa parade grounds will be close to cars? Magra-run tayo sa run course, Tanya Lenore. So, I discussed that na. So, after this, yata ma-replay naman to. So, we'll save it and then hopefully mapanood yung lahat. And then also, there's also the race preview video available on your YouTube. So, if you have questions, is drafting allowed? Yes, the race draft legal. Ano gradient and total elevation, we'll try to research it kasi hindi namin nakuha yung GPX file kasi sarado yung isang road nung nag-ano kami. And then, that's it. Is there a bike mechanic? Nope. If you need bike service, you can go to Cycles and Brew. There are partners then. So, that's it. I think there's nothing else to say. Matagal na tong live natin. And thank you, everyone, for joining the race briefing for Dumaman Duathlon 2025. Ano tayo? Good luck. See you tomorrow. See you on race day. And then hopefully we get perfect racing conditions. If not, let's enjoy the rainy duathlon. And that's it. So thank you very much for joining. Carlos, I'm Carlos de Guzman, swimbackground.ph. Good night. Yan, wala na.